Is the water diet safe? Can you imagine consuming nothing but water for up to 40 days? This is exactly what is known as the water fasting diet, or a regimen of drinking only water. This type of diet involves complete abstinence from all forms of nutrition except water, along with total rest lasting from 5 to 40 days, according to Dr. Alan Goldhammer, director of a medically supervised water fasting center in California. He emphasizes the importance of rest or avoiding exercise so the body does not require additional calories. Water fasting has recently become one of the latest diet trends promoted by former athletes and business people for weight loss. American businessman Russell Okung announced in a tweet viewed by 5 million followers on Twitter that he lost over 100 pounds, more than 45 kilograms, by consuming nothing but water for 40 days. Australian trainer Christine Crouch shared in an article for the American magazine Newsweek that a 25-day water fast helped her lose 20 pounds, over 9 kilograms. She added, "I felt light in my body, my digestion was smooth, my skin clearer and softer, and my eyes noticeably brighter, in addition to increased energy, mental clarity, and a sense of calm and peace."
The shocking surprise. These stories prompted Dr. Krista Varadi, a nutrition professor at the University of Illinois at Chicago and an expert in intermittent fasting, to conduct a review of the available evidence on water fasting. Her goal was to allow people to see the scientific data evaluating this regimen and to answer journalists' questions about its effectiveness. She formed a team of researchers who analyzed 8 studies on water fasting to assess the success of weight loss through this method. After conducting a new review of the available scientific evidence published late last month, researchers explained that water fasting involves consuming nothing but water for at least 5 to 20 days, sometimes even longer. Varadi clarified that some medically supervised water fasts allow up to 250 calories per day, usually through a small amount of juice at breakfast and a bit of soup at lunch. The shocking surprise came when the researchers discovered that all the health benefits of a water-only diet quickly fade away. And regardless of the amount of weight lost, it can be regained just as quickly. Varadi said, "Personally, I do not recommend this diet, even though it has become popular over the past year." She added, "Even if people continue to lose weight this way, all the health benefits will disappear."
The problem of muscle loss. Researchers found that the water-only diet led to a significant short-term weight loss. Those who fasted on nothing but water for 5 days lost about 4% to 6% of their body weight. A full water diet lasting 7 to 10 days caused weight loss ranging from 2% to 10%. Meanwhile, those who consumed only water for 15 to 20 days lost between 7% and 10% of their total body weight. However, the study pointed out that people tend to lose more muscle mass than fat mass during water-only fasting, based on research that measured body composition. It showed that about 2/3 of the weight lost came from lean body mass, while the remaining 1/3 was from body fat reduction. Researchers considered this result concerning because the loss of lean muscle mass may increase the risk of regaining weight in the future. According to one study, participants regained all the weight they lost during a 5-day water fast within 3 months. However, Varadi told United Press International, UPI, if people change their eating habits after this experience and try to stick to a healthy diet, it seems they can maintain some of the weight lost.
Potential risks. The review did not deny that the water-only diet might have some health benefits, such as improving blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. However, it emphasized that these improvements do not last long and will fade shortly after the person resumes eating. Nutrition specialist Kelly Kennedy confirmed this by saying, "Weight is likely to return after eating again, and possibly even more than before." The results also showed that improvements in blood sugar control did not occur in type 1 or type 2 diabetic patients who only drank water. This was echoed by Dr. David L. Katz, director of the Prevention Research Center at Yale University, who warned that water fasting lasting more than 48 hours can cause serious health problems, including fainting and fatigue, and possibly death if extended for weeks. Dr. Virati also explained that those who follow this diet lose all the health benefits, with blood pressure returning to previous levels and LDL cholesterol going back to where it was. In addition, the most common side effects of drinking only water for several days include hunger, headaches, nausea, vomiting, and insomnia. People who undergo prolonged water-only fasting may face vitamin and mineral deficiencies, according to concerns raised by Dr. Ivana Rizzo, director of obesity medicine at Boston Medical Center. Rizzo explained that this diet is very short-term and extremely restrictive. It does not seem effective and will not benefit patients with obesity. She agreed with Virati that a water-only diet simply is not sustainable.